Hello students, welcome back. Let's solve the exercise question number 15 of chapter 10 Light from class 10 NCERT science textbook. The question goes like this. An object of size 7 cm is placed at 27 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and the nature of the image. Alright, so here we have a concave mirror or a converging mirror whose focal length is given as 18 cm. Then we have an object whose height is 7 cm and it placed at 27 cm in front of this concave mirror. The question asked is, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that we can obtain a sharp focused image of the object? Now the screen has to be placed at that point where we can capture the image, or it's indirectly asking us that what should be the image distance, because the screen will be placed at that point where the image has to be collected. So the screen position means it's the position of the image, or it's the image distance that is being asked for. Also we need to find out the size of the image and its nature. So first let's draw the diagram. So here we have a concave mirror and this is the principal axis of the concave mirror. Here is the pole and this is the focus, and double of the focus is the center of curvature or the radius of curvature, and the focal length that is given here is 18 cm. So this distance is 18 cm. Now exactly double of it will be the radius of curvature. So the radius of curvature is 36 cm. Now we have an object which is placed at 27 cm from the pole. So 27 cm means it lies somewhere between the center of curvature and the focus. Now the height of this object is given as 7 cm. Now we need to find out the image which will be formed. Now students, do you know that from here only we can predict the answer to this question? Let me tell you how. For that you need to recall the ray diagram for the image formation using a concave mirror when the object is lying between C and F. See, in this case, when the object is lying between C and F, the image that is formed is real, inverted and a magnified image, and it's formed beyond the center of curvature on the same side of the mirror as the object. Now in this case, since the center of curvature is at a distance of 36 cm from the pole of the mirror, then as per the rule, the image has to be formed beyond the center of curvature, that is beyond C. And thus the image distance has to be a value which is greater than 36 cm. Also, the image in this case will be a real and inverted one and larger in size than the object is. Now, if you have difficulty in remembering the ray diagrams for this position of the object, please recall the LRM rule, which stands for left, right, mirror rules, that I have already taught you in one of my videos. That is, if the object lies to the right of the center of curvature, the image will be formed to the left of the center of curvature in case of a concave mirror. And if the object lies to the left of the center of curvature, then the image will be formed to the right of the center of curvature in case of a mirror. So this is the LRM rule. If you have not watched that video, please go and check that out. So this LRM rule will help us to draw the ray diagrams correctly. Now let's go and solve the question. So first let's write down the values that are given. So we have the height of the object is given as 7 cm. So HO is 7 cm. The object distance U is minus 27 cm. Why it is minus? Because to measure the object distance we have to go towards the left from the pole against the direction of light. Then we have the focal length of the mirror is minus 18 cm. It is also negative for the same reason. Now let's find out the position of the image using the mirror formula, which is 1 by F is 1 by V plus 1 by U. So 1 by V comes to be 1 by F minus 1 by U. Substituting the values, 1 by minus 18 is 1 by minus 27, which is minus 1 by 18 plus 1 by 27. Now we'll take the LCM. Let me write down 18 into 27. It will be easier while solving further. So 18 gets cancelled. It's minus 27 plus 27 gets cancelled. It's plus 18. 1 by V is minus of 18 into 27 by minus 9. So it is 3, that is minus of 1 by 54. So our V comes to be minus of 54 centimeter. Now let's go and solve the second part, that is the size and nature of the image. Now the size and nature of the image can be found out using the magnification formula, which is M is equal to minus V by U, which is HI by HO for a mirror. So substituting the values of V, U and HO, we get V is minus 54 by U we got as minus 27 is equal to HI by HO is 7 centimeter. So these two minus gets cancelled. So we get HI is minus 54 into 7 by cross multiplying this. It's 27, which is 2, that is minus 14 centimeter. So the height of the image which we got is minus 14 centimeter. So this is the answer to the second part of the question, that the negative sign indicates that the image is a real and inverted one, and the 14 centimeter is the height of the image, which proves that the image is a magnified image. The object height was 7 centimeter, but the image height which we got is 14 centimeter. So as per our assumption that the image distance has to be more than 36 centimeter and height of the image has to be more than 7 centimeter, our answers are in correlation with these two assumptions. So let's write down the nature of the image. The image is real and inverted. It's formed at a distance of 54 centimeter from the pole in front of the mirror. The third is the image is magnified and the height of the image is 14 centimeter. So these are the answers to this question. So thus we got our image distance as minus 54 centimeter, which is more than 36 centimeter, indicating that the image is formed in front of the mirror and lies beyond the center of curvature. The height of the image obtained is minus 14 centimeter, indicating that the image is real, inverted and magnified. Thus, if you remember the LRM rule for mirrors, it becomes easy to remember and draw the ray diagrams accurately and solve the questions correctly. I hope you have understood the solution to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Please watch the playlist containing the solved physics questions and numericals from the previous year's board exams. I've shared the link of the playlist in the description box. It will be very helpful to you while preparing for your exams.